Michael, Michael, record it. You guys are so retarded.
Hold on, buddy. All these people looking at us. Hold on.
Hold it.
Ready?
Oh, Daniel's zooming. Oh, this chair is going places no other chair goes.
All these people are staring at us. Well, what would you do if you saw people going down the street? You guys didn't even close the door. We'll turn around. Alright, let's go. Turn around.
They're turning around because they're too retarded to not close the door.
Okay, we go Lambert, or that Lambert. We could go to the street there. Alright, let's go. Michael, yeah, I got Michael, hold your crap. Go on Lambert in the street.
Oh, my crap, that's your crap.
You slow enough. You want me to hold it, Michael?
Whoa. Okay, I don't think like Facebook can have a video that long. Oh shit, dude. There's my house. Look at the house. Look at it. Michael. Oh, here's Daniel. Michael, go close the door, Michael. Go close the door. Michael, go